Hello everyone, and thanks for watching my video. My name's Ben Schlick, and I'm the CEO and thought leader at DataLoki. If you didn't know, we're a solutions provider for everything ITOM and enterprise tools. This video is a preview of my upcoming website, dataloki.com. But before we begin the review, I would like to thank illustrations.co for their amazing SVG images. Without them, development and content visualization would have taken weeks as opposed to days. I want the overall design, content, function, and message of continuous improvement replicated in everything we do at DataLoki, including our website. After building the current website using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I learned a lot more about web development and hosting than I initially encountered in college. This led me to research different platforms and frameworks to find the best suited technologies to achieve our company's vision. The DataLoki project revolves around an end goal of providing digitally free education for everyone. Our plan is to create an ecosystem of technologies that drive continuous improvement into service delivery and design for any organization. DataLoki ITOM is our strategic view of tools and best practice philosophies that enable any IT ecosystem to assess, define, correlate, report, and change on adapting business requirements. This framework consists of defined software portfolios that organizations, no matter the size, should consider for IT operations, monitoring, service management, and configuration management database. The IT operations management ecosystem is achieved through our solutions roadmap that consists of individual services for each enterprise tool. DataLoki services provide deliverables to clients that don't want or need full suite integration or solutions that we provide, although it is critical for our clients to understand that any service we provide works toward one or multiple solution packages that ultimately create ITOM. DataLoki solutions are packaged deliverables that solve business objectives. They provide transparency into how well or not the IT department is supporting business needs. DataLoki development is everything it takes to run a managed services company from scratch. From software to hardware and theory to practice, view our process improvement and workflow with different development techniques and procedures. DataLoki Content and Media is our centralized communication hub. Here, you can view and subscribe our social media and stay updated on new content. Hello, welcome everybody. My name's Ben Schlick with dataloki.com. I wanted to make a quick video on continuous improvement and how I'm implementing that in my web design. So this isn't going to be a particular video on providing monitoring or ITSM services, but how I'm using continuous improvement or that thought process and using it to design and architect and implement my website from what it was to what it should be. Okay, so the take 473.